Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can register on Capital One banking app, so let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to www.capitalone.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click on Sign In. If you're already a customer with online access, simply enter your username and password to log in. But if you're new and haven't registered yet, click on the link that says Set up online access. You'll now be taken to the enrollment page where you'll need to provide some personal details to get started. Begin by entering your last name. Then, type in your Social Security number SSN or Individual Taxpayer Identification number ITIN. Don't have those handy? No worries, just tap Use Bank Account Number instead and enter your Capital One account number. Next, enter your date of birth. Once all the information is filled in, double-check that it's accurate. Then, click Get Started. From here, just follow the instructions on the screen. You'll create your username, password, and security settings, and within a few minutes, your Capital One online banking account will be fully set up.